Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find friends on Candy Crush Saga. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to find your friends on Candy Crush Saga, then it's pretty simple. Make sure that you open up Candy Crush Saga application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. All of your friends that you've added on Candy Crush Saga will appear on your map, but you'll be able to see them on the map if they are connected to Facebook. You can also find friends by tapping on your profile avatar at the top of this page and tapping on friends. All of the friends that you've sent invites to or your existing friends will be displayed in this page. You can also add more friends by tapping the add more friends button. Continue adding more friends as you please, and once the invitation has been accepted by your friend, you'll be able to add them on Candy Crush Saga. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.